Family owned and operated Bluegrass Restoration and Construction is a full-service construction company offering full-service home maintenance with 24/7 emergency services. All services performed in-house with no subcontractors. Give them a call at 859-353-1133.
From the Madison HVAC Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Susie Martin. A cloudy scene for the day today, but we're going to be clearing this out as we head into the overnight hours, yielding sunshine for tomorrow. A warming trend and then 80s by the weekend, as we do have a significant warm up by the end of the week. Looks like some solid spring weather. But into our immediate outlook for overnight, we do expect the cloud cover to decrease. Here's our hourly forecast. Note that after the 1 a.m. hour, mostly clear conditions will be in progress. We do have a departing low to our north and east that allows for an area of high pressure to shift in as it departs, and this is going to result in mainly dry weather for much of the Commonwealth. But by Wednesday night, we will start to track the next wave of rain pushing in. Wednesday night into Thursday, chances for showers will be underway. First, we do have this warm front that will begin to build to the west and warmer air in general, as we do have south flow beginning to develop. We've got clockwise flow of air around that high, and that places us under much warmer air mass as the south flow will drive up those temperatures. But still, for tonight, we will get down to around the freezing point. So still some frost concerns in the early morning. If you're thinking about your gardens, just keep that in mind. We do anticipate temperatures tomorrow to build into the 50s, but as you can see, mainly sunshine across the region with some cloud cover possible. But Irvine will be up to 55. We're thinking 54 here in Richmond for a high temperature. It should be a pretty nice go of things. And then by Wednesday, a solid warm up as we build into the mid to upper 60s range with plenty of sunshine. And in fact, as you look at our long range outlook here, our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, April 24th to the 28th, highlighting warmer than average conditions likely. So it looks like a warmer trend is underway. But here's our extended forecast. We will be reaching the 80s by the end of this week, we're thinking. The best shot of that Saturday with a high of 81. We'll keep you updated right here. Back to you, Gwendolyn.